Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Gumball. This is going to be a short video. I've been working on getting more machines out lately. As you see in some of my videos, I have a lot in storage. And I really feel like I shouldn't be paying for storage. All of these machines should be out making money. And so I'm going to go out today. I've got one machine in my car, and I'm going to get another machine cleaned up and ready to go. When they meet you at the door, say hello, shake their hand, show them a photograph of your machine that you're trying to get in the building. If it looks like a very slow place and there's not a lot of customers and not a lot of employees, maybe just walk away from that place. I remember one time I was shopping with a friend of mine at a CD store. They sold used CDs, used DVDs, used VHS tapes, movies, music, things like that. And it was near a college, and I thought, this is a really busy location. I kept looking around, and there was a ton of people that were coming in. And they had probably 10 employees any given moment. Anytime I was in there, there was 10 employees. So you know that they use the machines. The vending machines also, the employees do as well. And I was figuring, it's college kids, they probably have a disposable income. And I asked the owner or the manager if I could put a little gumball machine in that location. But there are some locations that are so busy, there's so many customers that come into these locations. Indoor flea markets, as an example, are filled with hundreds and hundreds of people. One of my locations, when I was first given the permission to bring a few vending machines in there, I think I brought 3 or 4, and now I'm already up to like 12 machines in that one location. So let that help you, guide you when it comes to starting a business or building a business and finding locations. Okay, so I'm going to go out today looking for locations and cross my fingers, wish me luck. All right, I'll catch you on another video. Have a good evening. Have a good morning. Or, I don't know, have a good afternoon.